Dylan is 4 years old, and he comes to us from Gilbert. Dylan has brown hair and blue eyes. Dylan's favorite food is Taco Bell cheese roll-up. Do they actually have a food called that? His favorite color is black and red and blue. There we go. And that is contestant number 14, Mr. Dylan. Let's give him a hand.